Good day, I am Jessie Garcia and today we are going to tackle about genetic code. So first, we are going to define what is genetic code.
So, genetic code is a dictionary that corresponds with sequence of nucleotides and sequence of amino acids. Genetic code is a set of rules by which information encoded in genetic material, or shall we say the DNA or RNA sequences, is translated into proteins by living cells. The term genetic code is given by George Gamow. So here are the characteristics of the genetic code. So first, triplet code, comma-less, non-overlapping code, the coding of dictionary, degenerate code, universality of code, non-ambiguous code, chain initiation code, and lastly, the chain termination codons. So for us to have a better understanding about the genetic code, so here are some knowledge about genetic codes. So the relationship between the sequence of amino acids in polypeptide chain and nucleotide sequence of mRNA or DNA is called genetic code, or the genetic representations of codon by which the information in RNA is decoded in a polypeptide is called genetic code, and the order in which bases are arranged in RNA deciding the order in which amino acids are arranged in proteins. So the letters A, G, T, and C correspond to the nucleotides found in DNA. So this letter, the A, G, T, C, or we call it the nitrogenous bases. So they are organized into codons. The collection of codons is called genetic code. For 20 amino acids, there should be 20 codons. So each codon should have 3 nucleotides to impart specifically to each of the amino acid for a specific codon. So 1 nucleotide is equivalent to 4 combinations, 2 nucleotides 16 combinations, 3 nucleotides is equivalent to 64 combinations of most suited for 20 amino acids. So here is the RNA codon table. So as we seen, the first position UCAG and the second position the UCAG also, and the following outcomes or the third position. So the UCAG stands for uracil, cytosine, adenine, and guanine. Below are some amino acids being formed. So when we say codon, it is a sequence of 3 nitrogenous bases or the triplet on mRNA coding for a particular amino acid, or a triplet of bases present in mRNA coding for one amino acid is called codon. For example, if mRNA has triplet code, the AUG, for which corresponding amino acid in the protein would be methionine. Similarly, the UUU code for phenylalanine. Thus, codons for all 20 amino acids of protein were found. Many amino acids have more than one codon.